Welcome to Who Invented It? The famous Inventors Quiz. Are you ready? Who patented the first successful telephone? A. Alexander Graham Bell. B. Michael Faraday. Answer. Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell is credited with developing the first telephone patent, however innovators Elisha Gray and Antonio Musi also created extremely comparable technologies. Michael Faraday is an English physicist who discovered electromagnetic induction, which resulted in electric transformers and generators. Who created the first gasoline-powered car? A. Carl Benz. B. Henry Ford. Answer. Carl Benz. Sorry, Ford enthusiasts. While Ford's Model T transformed the auto industry, Carl Benz created the first viable gas-powered vehicle in 1885. Who invented television? A. Albert and Meyer Bernstein. B. Philo Farnsworth. Answer. Philo Farnsworth. While several inventors contributed to the development of television, Philo Farnsworth is often credited with its creation. The Bernstein brothers created the frozen TV supper in 1949 and sold over 2.5 million foil servings over the next 5 years. Who came up with Coca-Cola? A. Dr. John S. Pemberton. B. Caleb Bradham. Answer. Dr. John S. Pemberton. Pemberton created Coca-Cola, while Bradham created Brad's Drink, which later became known as Pepsi. Who came up with disposable diapers? A. Marion Donovan. B. Michael Bay. Answer. Marion Donovan. Marion Donovan created the first disposable diapers in 1949, while an inventor named Michael Bay invented disposable contact lenses 30 years later. Who invented the world's first successful airplane? A. Carl Dreys. B. The Wright brothers.
Answer. The Wright brothers.
The Wright brothers flew their first successful plane at Kitty Hawk in 1903, while Carl Dreys was an early contributor to the modern bicycle. Who developed the theory of relativity? A. Isaac Newton. B. Albert Einstein. Answer. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein developed the theory of relativity, which includes special relativity in general relativity, revolutionizing our understanding of space, time, and gravity. His famous equation E equals mc squared shows the relationship between mass and energy. Who invented the safety razor? A. King C. Gillette. B. Jacob Schick. Answer. King C. Gillette. King C. Gillette invented the safety razor in 1901, revolutionizing shaving. Jacob Schick developed the electric razor, Jean-Jacques Perret created an early safety razor, and William Henson worked on razor improvements. Who invented the sewing machine? A. Elias Howe. B. Walter Hunt. Answer. Elias Howe. Elias Howe patented the first practical sewing machine in 1846. Isaac Singer improved the design and popularized it, Barthélemy Thimonier created an early version, and Walter Hunt also worked on sewing machine prototypes. Who invented the modern zipper? A. Richard Drew. B. Gideon Sundback. Answer. Gideon Sundback.
Gideon Sundback improved the zipper design and patented it in 1917. Elias Howe invented an early version. Whitcomb L. Judson also worked on zipper-like devices, and Richard Drew invented Scotch tape.